Hi everyone, welcome to NEET Biology channel. Which of the following is not a correct bacterial shape classification? A. Coccus. B. Spirillum. C. Rhizoid. D. Bacillus. Correct answer is C. Rhizoid. Explanation: rhizoid is not a recognized bacterial shape, but is instead associated with certain fungi and algae, where it refers to root-like structures used for attachment. The three main recognized shapes of bacteria are Coccus, spherical; Bacillus, rod-shaped; and Spirillum, spiral-shaped. Vibrio, comma-shaped, is also accepted in bacterial classification. Therefore, while options A, B, and D describe actual bacterial morphologies, option C refers to a completely different group of organisms and is thus incorrect in this context. Which domain of life includes organisms that can live in extreme salty conditions? A. Eubacteria. B. Archaebacteria. C. Protista. D. Fungi. Correct answer is B. Archaebacteria. Explanation: Archaebacteria include extremophiles such as halophiles that thrive in high-salt environments like salt lakes and salt pans. Eubacteria, while also prokaryotic, do not typically survive such extreme conditions. Protists and fungi are primarily found in more moderate environments and are not adapted to high salinity. Hence, only Archaebacteria poses the necessary adaptations to inhabit such saline niches. What is the energy source for chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria? A. Sunlight. B. Organic matter. C. Inorganic chemical oxidation. D. Chlorophyll pigments. Explanation: chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria obtain energy by oxidizing inorganic substances such as ammonia, nitrites, or hydrogen sulfide. Unlike photosynthetic organisms that use sunlight, eliminating option A, or heterotrophs that depend on organic matter, ruling out option B, these bacteria do not require organic nutrients or light. Option D is incorrect because chlorophyll pigments are relevant to photosynthetic autotrophs, not chemosynthetic ones. Which structural feature makes Mycoplasma different from other prokaryotes? A. Ribosome. B. Nucleus. C. Mitochondria. D. Cell wall. Correct answer is D. Cell wall. Explanation: Mycoplasma are unique among bacteria because they completely lack a cell wall, which makes them pleomorphic, variable in shape, and resistant to many antibiotics like penicillin. They do contain ribosomes for protein synthesis, so A is incorrect. Like all prokaryotes, they naturally lack a nucleus and mitochondria, so B and C are not distinguishing features. Thus, the absence of a cell wall is the defining structural feature of Mycoplasma. What bacterial group is responsible for methane production in the gut of ruminants? A. Cyanobacteria. B. Vibrio. C. Methanogens. D. Mycoplasma. Correct answer is C. Methanogens. Explanation: Methanogens are a type of Archaebacteria that live anaerobically in the digestive tracts of ruminants and produce methane as a metabolic byproduct. Cyanobacteria are photosynthetic and do not reside in such environments. Option A. Vibrio are typically aquatic and some are pathogenic. Option B. And Mycoplasma lack a cell wall but are not involved in methane production. Option D. What characterize cyanobacteria? A. They are heterotrophs. B. They contain chlorophyll A. C. They cause tuberculosis. D. They are always filamentous. Correct answer is B. They contain chlorophyll A. Explanation: Cyanobacteria are photosynthetic prokaryotes that possess chlorophyll A, enabling them to perform oxygenic photosynthesis. They are not heterotrophs, ruling out option A. Do not cause tuberculosis, eliminating option C, which is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. And while many are filamentous, not all are. So option D is overly generalized and incorrect. In what environment would you most likely find Thermoacidophiles? A. Snowfields. B. Hot springs. C. Deep oceans. D. Freshwater lakes. Correct answer is B. Hot springs. Explanation: Thermoacidophiles are Archaebacteria that thrive in environments that are both hot and acidic, such as hot springs. They would not survive in snowfields, option A, which are cold, or in freshwater lakes, option D, which lack the required acidity and temperature. Deep oceans, option C, may be hot at hydrothermal vents but are not acidic environments, making hot springs the most accurate habitat. What kind of reproduction do bacteria primarily use? A. Budding. B. Binary fission. C. Sporulation. D. Fragmentation. Correct answer is B. Binary fission. Explanation: Bacteria typically reproduce asexually by binary fission, where one cell divides into two genetically identical cells. Budding, option A, is rare and more common in yeast. Sporulation, option C, is a survival mechanism, not a regular reproductive process. Fragmentation, option D, is not a usual mode of reproduction in bacteria, but is more associated with filamentous organisms like fungi. Which of the following is not a feature of cyanobacteria? A. Unicellular or colonial. B. Photosynthetic. C. Nitrogen fixation in heterocyst. D. Presence of a true nucleus. Correct answer is D. Presence of a true nucleus. Explanation: Cyanobacteria are prokaryotes, and by definition, they lack a true, membrane-bound nucleus. They are often unicellular or form colonies, option A, are photosynthetic, option B, and many, like Anabina, perform nitrogen fixation in specialized cells called heterocysts, option C. Thus, only option D is not a feature of cyanobacteria. Which among the following is caused by pathogenic bacteria? A. Asthma. B. Cholera. C. Diabetes. D. Anemia. Correct answer is B. Cholera. Explanation: Cholera is an infectious disease caused by the bacterium Vibrio cholerae. Asthma, option A, is an allergic, non-infectious condition. Diabetes, option C, is a metabolic disorder. And anemia, option D, is a deficiency-related or genetic condition. Therefore, only option B points to a disease of bacterial origin.